Hey guys, T Livingston 14 here, doing a bike check. Just got my new frame, forks, and cranks for my street bike, so I finally put that back together. I'll start in the front. We the People aluminum bar ends in silver. ODI long neck grips, black. Cut the flanges off. I just like riding flangeless. S&M Perfect 10 bars with an Odyssey sticker on there. Stem is a Primo Annihilator stem with a FSA impact headset. Front forks, I got the Odyssey R25 forks, the steep ones. Front wheel, I got an Odyssey Bandero 2, hub laced with Primo spokes to a Odyssey hazard light hoop with Odyssey Aiken P-Light tires, 225 in the front. Seat, the Profile Pivotal Kevlar seat with a red P on there. Volume seat post, Sunday clamp. Odyssey JCPC pedals with Odyssey Thunderbolt cranks. The hollow there, you can see the light at the end. Fit DL sprocket, 25 tooth with a KMC chain. Back wheel is a Primo mixed cassette hub laced to another Odyssey hazard light rim. Odyssey P-Light tires, the Path tire. It's a 20 by 210. Really nice tire. I love the combination I got. Lastly, my favorite new part, Sunday Forecaster frame, 20.75 top tube, ketchup red. Very nice looking frame. One of my buddies just got put on their flow team, so figured I'd help him support everything. But yeah, great frame. Looks nice there with a Spectrum rainbow. Albies. Sunday with a forecast sign. Another Odyssey sticker right there. Odyssey bottom bracket too for my cranks. But yeah, that's pretty much my bike. Can't put any riding clips in it right now because it's snowing. But yeah, rate, subscribe. Any questions about it, comment. Always happy to answer any questions. I'll try to get a new edit out soon.